What's up guys, Isaiah Gibson here again from Lightweight Visuals. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do affiliate marketing on a budget. I'm talking about spending less than $20 in order to get your entire business going. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you guys how you can get my exclusive bonuses just for joining my free Facebook group. And that free group is going to provide you even more awesome resources. A lot of them will be free, some of them will be dirt cheap. Some of them not so free or cheap, but they're all going to be extremely helpful to your journey. So with that being said, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video and let's hop right in. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do affiliate marketing on a micro budget. That means spending less than $20 in order to start your entire affiliate business. Sure, you're going to spend more as you grow and scale, such as like on paid ads and stuff. This method is going to show you really how to get started, the tools you're going to need to do it, pretty much how you're going to do it on a really affordable shoestring budget. Now, the first tool we have up here is Groove.cm. You can create a totally free account here where it says get started for free. I've already got one, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Now inside, this is what your dashboard looks like, right? You got Groove Pages, Groove Funnels, as well as all these other tools that you'll get as a free member. So first, we're going to go into Groove Pages and pretty much create a new site. I'm not going to walk you through how to do this because I've already done those in my earlier videos. Just click on the link below if you really want a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create a free page using Groove Pages or Groove.cm. The next free resource on the list is GetResponse. GetResponse now announced a free forever plan, which means that at first it used to cost 15 bucks a month. Now it's totally free for up to 500 email subscribers. And that's huge because GetResponse has an AI website builder. They've got funnels, they've got email marketing, they've got tons of great things that you can do in there, including landing pages. I already made a video on how you can create a landing page using GetResponse, so I'll have the link to that below as well. The next resource on the list is something you guys probably already have, Facebook. Okay, using your Facebook group, you guys can totally do affiliate marketing for free. You don't have to spend any money on advertisements. You don't have to spend any money on an email autoresponder system. You're pretty much using your Facebook group in order to build your online business. Now, this way you can also qualify your leads, right? You can become more personal with them. This is an awesome resource to have, whether it's a Facebook group or whether it's some kind of other community that you own. You know, you're going to use guides, you're going to use announcements, you're going to use posts. All these things are within the Facebook group. This is the name of my Facebook group. If you guys want to join it, again, that link is going to be below. And I have tons of awesome bonuses for you guys if you choose to sign up. So speaking of bonuses, if you do decide to join my free Facebook group, Passive Income Pub, you'll get these awesome bonuses. You'll get my free affiliate marketing ebook. Now, this is an ebook that I wrote myself, guys. Affiliate Marketing for Newbies, a 6-figure proven system. Next, you're going to get access to my mentor. Now, this is one of those resources that costs a little bit of money. This is on $7, but this is step-by-step guidance from my mentor through his program, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. You're going to get access to a social media automation training course. All right. Now, this is how you're going to automate your business for you, right? You're going to use certain existing systems to pretty much repurpose your content across different social media sites to explode your outreach. All right. So instead of you posting once, you're going to post it one time, say on Facebook, and it's also going to get posted on your YouTube, on your Pinterest, on your Instagram, and those places all at once. You're going to create certain integrations to show you how to do that. And then I have another free resource going back into Groove, how Groove is one of those free all-in-one marketing platforms where you can also create your free e-commerce store in there, right? And I have a link to that within the Facebook group. Then I'll bring you to my YouTube channel where I show you step-by-step how to use a lot of these resources, all right? Now, lastly, I make myself available to members of my Facebook group, right? I offer one free 30-minute consultation where we're going to go over where you are in your business, you know, talk about kind of your interests, even if you're not into affiliate marketing, if you just want to kind of build your own print on demand store or build your own like e-commerce store, I go over all of those. All of those bonuses you get for free just for joining my my Facebook group. Now, I know you're saying, well, that's all fine and dandy, but how do I actually start affiliate marketing, right? You just showed me the tools. You just gave me some resources. Now, how do I actually put it all together? Now, I'm glad you asked that. And let me show you what you're going to do. This is what most people teach about doing affiliate marketing. And this method works to build your business for the long term. Whereas you're going to start from a traffic source on the left. You're going to send them to an opt-in page where you're going to gather people's emails, send them to a thank you page, kind of warming them up about the affiliate offer before you send them to the sales page, which is, what that affiliate link is, and then the order page, which is just pretty much where they buy the product. Okay. And now to get people's email addresses, you can use a lead magnet, like an email, like an ebook or a checklist, etc. And the email list is what's going to allow you to just kind of keep promoting different products or the same product to your email list, as well as kind of warm them up to who you are, introduce yourself, and just build some engagement. But you don't have to do that, right? You can just forego the email opt-ins. You can just forego the thank you page, the bridge page, and ebook checklist using that Facebook group I was telling you about earlier. Or you can just use your own traffic sources. Use your Pinterest, use your TikTok, your Instagram, to create value-based content related to whatever your niche is. And then from that, you're going to send people straight onto, your sales page. You don't have to do the opt-in page. You don't have to do the thank you page. I mean, those things help, but sure, they're not necessary. And they're also, increase the amount of tools you're going to be using. In my case, I would strongly suggest you guys start with a Facebook group, right? And use that Facebook group and use the posts on your Facebook page. Learn how to optimize your Facebook page in order to build your business, because people won't buy from you unless they trust you. And the best way to get people to trust you is obviously to practice what you preach, right? Show them that you actually understand whatever product it is you're promoting. That's pretty much how you do affiliate marketing on a micro budget. You don't need any email autoresponders. You don't need funnels. You don't need websites. All you have to do is really just put yourself out there. Start creating content that actually has value, right? Start building relationships with people somehow, some way. Whether you do that on Quora, whether you do that on YouTube, whether you do that on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Just make sure you have some kind of way of actually building relationships with people through the value that you post. So if you like this video, make sure you guys drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more of these kinds of contents. So guys, I'm Isaiah from Live with Visuals, signing off.